Welcome students. Standard 8, Subject Mathematics, Lesson number 5, Expansion Formulae. We are going to learn the expansion of x plus a into x plus b and the examples based on it, that is practice set 5.1. Now one activity is given in your textbook to find the expansion of x plus a into x plus b. See here, this one is the rectangle. This rectangle has length x plus a and breadth x plus b. Now you know the formula for the area of the rectangle. That formula is length into breadth. Therefore, if we multiply this x plus a by this x plus b, we can find the area of the rectangle. Okay. For that, we have to know the expansion of x plus a into x plus b. And to derive this expansion, we can divide this rectangle into four parts. That is, this one is the first part, this is the second, this is the third part, and this is the fourth part. Now, observe these four parts. The first part is the square and the remaining three parts are the rectangles. Now, this square has side x. Then this rectangle has length is equal to b and its breadth is equal to x. Again, this rectangle has length a and breadth x, and this rectangle has length a and breadth b. Okay. Now, formula to find the area of the square is side square. Therefore, the area of the square is x square. Area of this rectangle is ax. Area of this rectangle is bx. And area of this rectangle is ab. By adding these four areas, we can get the area of this largest rectangle. Therefore, we add these four areas. Again, look here, the middle two terms, that is ax plus bx, in these two terms x is the common, and therefore we can take x as common, and in bracket we can write a plus b, and therefore we get this formula as x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Okay, you have to write this activity in your notebook. Now, expansion of x plus a into x plus b. We are going to see the formula for this expansion. Now, x plus a and x plus b are the binomials. These brackets contain two terms and therefore it is known as the binomial. And in these two binomials, one term is common term. See here, x is the common term in these two brackets. Now, we multiply these two brackets, x plus a into x plus b. Now, how to multiply these two brackets? At first, take the first term in the first bracket, that is x, and multiply x plus b, that is second bracket, by this first term a, and therefore we can write x into x plus b, plus again multiply this second bracket by the second term of the first bracket, that is we can write plus a into bracket x plus b. Now again we have to expand these two brackets, that is x into x. X into x we get x square, plus x into b we get bx, plus a into x we get ax, and plus a into b we get ab. Then taking x as common from the middle two terms, we can write x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. This is the expansion. Now practice set 5.1. This practice set is based on the expansion of these two binomial terms. Expand. Example number 1, a plus 2 into a minus 1. Now we have to expand these two brackets by multiplying them with each other. So is equal to a into second bracket a minus 1 plus 2 into again second bracket a minus 1 is equal to a into a, we get a square, minus sign, a into 1 we get a, plus 2 into a we get twice a, and minus 1 into 2 we get minus 2. Then minus a plus 2a are the similar terms, so add them with each other. Minus a plus 2a we get plus a, and therefore the above expansion becomes a square plus a minus 2. Then the second example, 13 plus x into 13 minus x. Now 13 into second bracket 13 minus x plus x into again second bracket 13 minus x. 13 into 13, 13 square, minus 13 into x becomes minus 13x, plus x into 13 again it becomes plus 13x, and minus x into x, x square. 13 square is equal to 169, minus 13x plus 13x gets cancelled, and there is only minus x square. Therefore, the answer is 169 minus x square. Then the third example, 3x plus 4y into 3x plus 5y. So, 3x into 3x plus 5y plus 4y into 3x plus 5y is equal to 3x into 3x, 3x square, plus 3x into 5y plus 4y into 3y plus 4y into 5y. Write all these multiplications. Then 3x square becomes 9x square, 3x into 5y becomes 15xy, 4y into 3x becomes 12xy, and 4y into 5y becomes 20y square. The fourth example is 9x minus 5t into 9x plus 3t. Now 9x into 9x plus 3t, multiplication of the first term of the first bracket with the second bracket, minus 5t into 9x plus 3t. Now 9x into 9x becomes 9x bracket square plus 9x into 3t minus 9x into 5t minus 5t into 3t. Now 9x bracket square becomes 81x square plus 9 into 3 27 into x into t minus 45 into x into t minus 15t square. Now 27 minus 45 is equal to minus 18. So the middle term is minus 18xt. Therefore we get 81x square minus 18xt minus 15t square. Then next m plus 2 upon 3 into m minus 7 upon 3. Again the square of the first term, that is m square, plus in bracket we can write the addition of the second terms 2 by 3 minus 7 by 3 into first term, that is m, plus 2 upon 3 into minus 7 upon 3 is equal to m square minus 5 upon 3 into m minus 14 upon 9. Then next example, 1 upon y plus 4 into 1 upon y minus 9. Again square of the first term, that is 1 upon y square, plus addition of the second terms, that is 4 minus 9 into first term 1 upon y plus 4 into minus 9. Then we get 1 upon y square minus 5 upon y. 4 minus 9 is equal to minus 5, and minus 5 into 1 upon y is equal to 5 upon y. Therefore minus 5 upon y, and minus 4 into minus 9 is equal to 36.